An outdoor space has its own rhythm, the way sunlight filters through trees, the feel of fresh air, the hum of life around. Adding a water fountain changes that rhythm into something richer, more soothing, and more alive. The presence of water brings a calming effect, a quiet luxury that transforms ordinary gardens, patios, or courtyards into sanctuaries. It's not just about beauty, it's about atmosphere. Outdoor fountains are timeless. From ancient courtyards to modern homes, they've always been symbols of peace and refinement. They remind us of natural springs, flowing rivers, and the serenity of being near water. But beyond aesthetics, fountains enhance the sensory experience of a space. They provide sound that masks unwanted noise, movement that draws the eye, and a sense of coolness that refreshes the environment. What makes fountains so versatile is that they can be adapted to nearly any style or budget. They can be grand centerpieces in sprawling gardens or small accents tucked into intimate corners. They can be minimalist and modern or ornate and traditional. Regardless of scale, they bring life to an outdoor setting in a way few other features can.
When thinking about outdoor fountains, design is the first element that captures attention. The style of a fountain sets the tone for the entire space, making it either a bold focal point or a subtle accent. Design choices range from classic tiers to modern sculptures, and each carries its own character. Traditional designs, like tiered stone fountains, evoke timeless elegance. They connect a space to history, recalling European gardens and stately courtyards. Their presence feels grounding, as though they've always been there. On the other hand, modern designs emphasize clean lines, smooth materials, and geometric shapes. These fountains often highlight simplicity, blending effortlessly into contemporary homes while still adding a sense of sophistication. Naturalistic styles also have their place. Rock fountains, cascading waterfalls, or basins that mimic ponds feel as though they've emerged organically from the landscape. They complement gardens that prioritize greenery and texture, softening edges while adding a dynamic element. Then there are whimsical designs, playful shapes, themed sculptures, or even repurposed objects turned into fountains that reflect personal creativity and individuality. The size and scale of a fountain matter just as much as style. Large fountains command attention and become central gathering points, while smaller ones create intimacy, enhancing corners or pathways without overwhelming them. Materials add another layer of design expression. Stone, metal, ceramic, or glass each introduce different textures and moods. Ultimately, design and style choices allow fountains to speak the language of their environment. Whether bold, subtle, natural, or artistic, the design shapes the emotional impression a fountain leaves on those who encounter it.
If you found these outdoor fountain ideas inspiring, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who's dreaming of a more relaxing garden space.
A fountain's beauty depends not just on what it looks like, but also on where it's placed. The placement of a water feature determines how it interacts with the surrounding space and how people experience it. Thoughtful integration ensures the fountain doesn't feel like an afterthought, but rather a natural extension of the outdoor area. Central placement often makes a fountain a focal point. Positioned in the middle of a courtyard, at the end of a pathway, or within a garden square, it immediately draws the eye and defines the layout. People instinctively gravitate toward it, making it both a visual anchor and a gathering spot. In contrast, tucked-away fountains offer a sense of discovery. A small, bubbling feature hidden within greenery or beside a quiet seating area creates a private retreat. These placements enhance intimacy, giving the feeling of stumbling upon a secret oasis within the garden. Integration with landscape design is key. A fountain surrounded by plants creates harmony between water and greenery. Placing one near stone paths, patios, or seating areas extends its influence, inviting people to linger. Even the relationship to sunlight matters. A fountain that catches morning or evening light can sparkle with added magic. Water fountains can also interact with architecture. A wall-mounted fountain enhances courtyards, while sleek fountains beside modern patios blend the indoors with the outdoors. Placement decisions are about balance, ensuring the fountain enhances rather than competes with its environment. When well placed, a fountain transforms space into experience. It becomes not just an object, but part of the rhythm of the garden, guiding movement, shaping atmosphere, and creating a sense of belonging.
Which fountain style would you love to add to your outdoor space? Let me know your favorite in the comments below.
The true magic of an outdoor fountain lies not just in how it looks, but in how it feels and sounds. Water has a sensory quality that deeply influences mood and perception. A fountain adds sound, motion, and texture to a space in ways that resonate on an emotional level. Sound is perhaps the most immediate effect. The gentle trickle of water creates calm, masking background noise from streets or neighbors. Louder cascades bring energy and liveliness. The sound of water is universally soothing, echoing nature and connecting us to something timeless and grounding. Movement is another element. A fountain introduces motion into a space otherwise defined by stillness. The shimmer of ripples, the sparkle of droplets, or the flow of streams creates visual dynamism. Even in moments of quiet, the presence of moving water keeps the environment alive. There's also the tactile and atmospheric quality of water. A fountain can cool the surrounding air, adding comfort during warm days. The moisture it brings can subtly affect nearby plants, enhancing growth and freshness. For those who linger near it, the sensory experience becomes immersive, a multi-layered blend of sight, sound, and atmosphere.
For more home and garden design ideas, make sure to subscribe and stay inspired with every new video. At their core, outdoor fountains are more than decorative objects. They are living elements, always moving, always shifting. The play of light on water changes by the hour, from morning sparkle to evening glow. The sound of flowing water softens silence and calms restless energy. They are never static, always responding to season, weather, and time of day. In spring, a fountain may reflect new blooms, catching colors in its ripples. In summer, it cools the air, offering refreshment in the heat. In autumn, it mirrors falling leaves, turning the surface into art. In winter, even when stilled or covered, it stands as a reminder of life beneath rest. This cycle gives fountains a rhythm, a sense of being alive. They bring calm when calm is needed. They bring energy when liveliness is desired. They provide beauty in every moment, whether grand or simple. This duality, serene yet vibrant, is why fountains feel timeless. They offer both stillness and motion, quiet and presence. A fountain can be a focal point, commanding the garden's attention. It can also be subtle, tucked into a corner, discovered in a moment of pause. Both roles are powerful. Both add value to the experience of being outdoors. It's not just about what you see, it's about how you feel. They make gardens more complete, adding that missing element of movement. They make courtyards more welcoming, giving guests something to gather around. They make patios more luxurious, elevating an ordinary space into a retreat. Even the smallest fountain transforms atmosphere, making a space memorable. No other single feature balances art and nature so effortlessly.